Alright, so here is the best way on how you can fix FPS drops or lag spikes in Valorant. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix that. So first up, what you need to do is just simply head over to your computer's spacing area where you have folders and everything, and you have to go to C drive where you have installed Valorant and program files, and right over here, instead of I'm going to Epic Games, you need to go to Riot Games. But the process is very same. You have to go to Riot Games, and right here you have to select Valorant. And inside Valorant, you have to go to Valorant game. It will be written Valorant game instead of Fortnite game. So you just see I have to go over there, and then binaries over here, Windows 64. And once you're over there, you need to scroll down, and you'll see something like Valorant client Win64 shipping, and you have to press on it and properties. And after that, what you need to do, you just need to go to compatibility and make sure disable full screen option optimization is turned on. And once this is turned on, you need to press on apply and then okay, and you're good to go. Your lag spikes issues will be good, and there will be no lag. So I hope this video actually helps you out. I'll see you soon.